How to find stories you muted on Facebook Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find stories you muted on Facebook Lite. First thing, go to Facebook Lite and here you will find these three lines in the top corner and go down until you find settings and then just click profile information and go down until you find not profile information, this one stories, click on it and then just select stories you muted, and as you see here you can find it, and that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.